Hi guys, Penny here with my brother Jojo and William. Today we're going to make Faalifu fa'i. Faalifu fa'i, we need bananas and coconut milk. So first, my brother here will go show you the first step. The first step is to crack the coconut.
Got it on the first try.
Ooh. Pretty nice. As you can see, the inside of the coconut. This is coconut meat and coconut water. So now we're going to use the coconut kuai to scrape out the coconut meat. So the next step is to peel fa'i paka. You need a foil, which is usually a wooden stick, which is sharpened. But now we use the modern day butter knife. Okay, so first you want to take it off of the branch. Okay, now you put the slope of it on top of your hand. Now you cut a line into the middle. After you're done, you just go into the banana peel and then you cut it, just as you see Jojo doing right now. Make sure you get the extra bits if there's any leftovers. Alright, back to the coconut milk. If you're wondering what William's doing, he's just trying to break off the stem of the o'o so he can get it out. An o'o is a little snack you can find in coconuts. Tastes delicious?
It's good.
Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, now we're done with peeling the bananas and scraping the coconuts. Now we're going to put this on the fire and we're going to make coconut milk. This is the fun part. We're going to make coconut milk. You use the kawanga to squeeze out the coconut milk, like my brother here is going to show you. Not a good milk. Man. Now here's the magic. 1, 2, 3, milk! Now that we have the coconut, we can add some flavors with onions and salt. And if you want, you can add some curry powder. Now I'm going to add the salt.
Yeah, scoop it out.
Now we're going to add the onions. Now we're going to add in the curry. Now it's ready to put in the faalifu fa'i. It's very yummy. Final product. Everybody wants to eat it. I'm going to try it first. It's actually pretty good.